Potassium iodide is a commercially useful iodine compound that's a solid white powder at room temperature. Iodine is an essential nutrient, and potassium iodide is the most common means of adding iodine to the diet of humans and animals. College students frequently extract iodine from potassium iodide as part of a chemistry experiment. Pour 4 grams of potassium iodide into a test tube. Add about 3 milliliters of distilled water to the test tube. Shake the test tube to dissolve the potassium iodide in the water. Add 3 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid to the test tube. Shake the test tube again to mix the hydrochloric acid into the solution. Prepare a solution of 97% water and 3% hydrogen peroxide. Add 20 milliliters of the hydrogen peroxide solution, and allow the solid iodine to settle to the bottom of the test tube. Line the inside of a funnel with a glass filter. Pour the solution from the test tube into the funnel so the solid collects on the filter. Rinse the solid from the test tube into the funnel with distilled water. Rinse the test tube as often as needed to get all the solid iodine onto the filter. Thanks for watching.